Alright, so this is the family truck. This is the 2007 GMC Sierra. It's dirty. There's dog hair and stuff all over the place. This is what we use to transport Miss around and go on our trips and stuff on the weekend with. So we don't really care if we get stuff all over it. I apologize. But the AFM, the Active Fuel Management, this was recommended by Range Technologies. That literally you just open it up, you grab it. This disables the AFM. You can pick different colors. I picked a blue one, and then you actually pick the way it goes here. Looks to be active. Now let's go drive it and see what it does. It says on the directions, just plug into the OBD port and drive. Do not leave your range device installed on a vehicle that is not driven daily. Unplug the device if the vehicle will not be driven for a few days. There may be a draw on the battery in some vehicles because it stays, I think, a little bit of residual power. The little bit of residual power, it stays like somewhat active, and they don't want the battery to die. So let's go drive it and see how it feels. So it does seem to be peppier overall. It's not kicking in with that cylinder deactivation stuff or anything, and then off the line start is quite a bit more active. So it seems to be working, whatever it is. So we're gonna run it and see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish with the rest of the updates. So far it seems to be working all right. What are you doing? Anyhow, we got that taken care of. Now we get the oil changed and valve cover and stuff put together. And if I have time today, I'll go ahead and drop the oil pan and put that oil pressure relief valve and stuff, the little hat and everything I showed you guys last night in there to keep the oil in the pan instead of splashing all over the place. And then yeah, we'll see. But that's the update on the Range. The Range, plug it right in and just go drive. AFM deactivated. Be blessed.